Over the past year, investors have become increasingly worried about how inflation might impact their portfolio. Supply chain issues, government stimulus, and increase in demand from consumers have all led to increases in prices for goods and services. Inflation can be an issue for investors because it decreases the spending power of every dollar saved. Over the long term, your money won't stretch as far. Luckily, there are steps you can take to hedge against inflation and protect your portfolio. The first tip is to stay invested in stocks. Inflation is a normal part of the market. During times of high inflation, it is worth revisiting your portfolio to determine if your needs still meet your desired rate of return and risk tolerance. Stocks offer higher potential returns, which can help you outpace the rate of inflation. The second tip is invest in real estate. Real estate has done well during inflationary times, largely because landlords are able to pass on higher costs to their tenants. You can invest in real estate directly by becoming a landlord and collecting rent on properties you own. Or if appropriate for you, you can indirectly become an investor in real estate by buying shares of a real estate investment trust. The third tip is to explore commodities. The price of commodities, such as oil and corn, tend to rise in times of inflation, making commodities a popular inflation hedge. You can invest in commodities in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that hold a diversified basket of investments. Another way to take advantage of the positive correlation between inflation and commodities is to invest in companies that are heavily involved with commodities, such as mining companies, for example. Remember that your investment portfolio is constructed of long-term goals, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon. It is important not to make any rash investment decisions that could be based on potentially short-term changes within the economy. If you're unsure the right choice for you, reach out for a second opinion. I'm always happy to help and just a phone call away.